Great Barrier Island. In November 2013, Coles Equipment began construction of the new Okiwi runway. Due to previous work experience on the island, sealing the Claris runway in 2005, Downer came on board again as sealing contractor for the new strip. And with this extensive experience, Steve Booth from Downer insisted on changing the runway specification from hot cutback bitumen to the new RS1 emulsion made by Road Science New Zealand.
Hi, I'm Steve Booth. My position is chip sealing manager upper north. Today here we're on Great Barrier Island. We'd like to achieve the sealing of the runway, probably about 9,900 squares. We'd like to get all the bottom coat, grade 3 on, and hopefully complete the grade 5 top coat on the main runway. Over the last 2.5 years, we've converted over from hot cutback bitumen to RS1 emulsion on the Auckland Transport Network. We know that it's tried and proven. We thought this would be a prime situation to use the RS1 emulsion. It's a clean green product and it's a clean green environment. The RS1 emulsion is a lot safer product to use. There's less risks of burns, less risks of explosions. In the past, emulsions were pretty hit and miss affair. They were not consistent in how they were manufactured. They weren't very heat stable and couldn't be stored for a very long time. Road Science has developed a really good product. Some of the benefits of the RS1: low application temperature compared with hot delivered product, excellent chip adhesion, extended sealing season and lower emissions. Hello again here on day 2. We've completed what we needed to yesterday. We've still got the taxiway to complete and also the turnaround area at the end of the runway. After that we'll be doing the fog coat over the entire runway at about a 0.6 application. And after that we'll be back onto the boat into some more work. The RS1 emulsion is very heat stable. It can be stored for around 6 weeks. In good weather, we know that the setup time is around 20 minutes on site. I'd like to thank the crew, the sealing crew, all involved. It was a skeleton crew that come across here that did this work. Job well done.